Let's play tall. Let's play tall.
Tunjuk pakai yang ini.
What? So we're currently in the Starbucks Reserve and Taylor's playing block sweeps.
So I'm on my alt account because I'm already max.
Nope. And Arlo's watching. Okay. Let's check around. It is processing of coffee. Get some exclusive stuff. Okay, so we're currently here in Discovery Mall, and this is a few hours before our flight. So yeah, let's check this mall out. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So this mall, we already been here for like how many times? And it's pretty nice mall, but it's really old. Very nice mall. We're currently here in Kuta. Let's go. First stop over here in Gate Station. Oh, they got some Hot Wheel right there. Look at this Hot Wheel. Oh wow, got a lot of stuff here going on. Oh, they got some Pokemon spinners right here. We go for the Tomica. I'll press the sign ID Argus. Hanoi Airport right now. Yeah, we're gonna go back to our house. There. Yeah, we're in a rush. So currently it's 1:54 p.m. in Bali time. So let's go. Go. Bye bye Bali.
The first word is like bye.
Kita taruh dia di taman aja ya, biar dicakar-cakar sama kambing.
Jakarta. Nama saya Adam Kartawijaya sebagai pimpinan penerbangan Anda di sore hari.